requirements that are expected. And I think the best thing the KPLC can do is to comply with those. And the best thing that EPRA can do is to have the muscle to sanction them when they don't do what they need to do.
Absolutely. No.
Yeah.
Engineer Julius Riongo, tumezungumzia kuhusiana na reliability, yani kama stima ambayo unayo pale unaweza kuitegemea. Ningependa kidogo tuangazie hasa wafanya biashara wale wakubwa na wale pia wadogo. Tazama mfanya biashara mdogo kama anaendesha biashara ya kinyozi. Amenunua zile mashine zake pale, anategemea wateja, lakini akianzisha biashara yake lazima atafute generator ambayo ni ghali kununua, iwekwe pale, ndipo stima zikipotea, kwa sababu ana uhakika stima zitapotea kwa wakati fulani, awashe ile generator yake, na generator kuwashwa pia itaongezwa mafuta ndipo afanye kazi yake. Utasemaje kuhusiana na sio tu usambazaji wa kawi, lakini pia utegemeaji wake ndipo iweze kurahisisha namna ya kuendesha biashara? Engineer.
Thank you, Rincon. I think that's a very important question. And in fact, let me say that I'm happy that Citizen Media, Royal Media has decided to have this topic discussed, because the three main items in good quality of supply are to satisfy your customers, you must be having access to electricity, reliability, and it must be affordable. Reliability comes on top of this particular list, because if you have got power which is cheap and it's unreliable, then it makes it more expensive, because you are going to put a generator, like you have said. So it is important that the supplier, the KPLC, makes sure that one of the things they need to improve is the reliability of their supply to their customers, because they depend entirely on them. A businessman like that one, if he misses power for a single day, first of all, the cost of diesel that he's going to use is very expensive. In fact, it might make his business not even worth it. But if he can rely on Kenya Power Supply and know that it's going to be available there when the clients come, then you can be sure that guy will be very happy to pay the bill that he's going to get at the end of the month. The lack of reliability interferes with the business people do, interferes with the way you live in a home, for example. And even once more is that the more generators we put as a standby, the more pollution we put to the environment. So it's not a very positive thing. So my advice to KPLC, and I am sure they can do this, is to ensure that the reliability of supply to their customers is the first priority that they take into account. And this is not a very difficult thing to do, because they make sure that whatever leads the supply to the premises is properly maintained. Whatever equipment they are put is properly maintained and can supply good quality power at the time. And that will make their customers feel very comfortable. And let me tell you that if that happens, then even the payment of the bills will be very easy, because somebody knows that you can rely on it without going to extra expenses. That's my view about that.
Okay. Lakini itategemea nini? Ukiangalia mataifa yaliyoendelea, utapata kwamba ni vigumu sana stima kupotea. Na stima zikipotea labda kwa sekunde kadhaa ama dakika kadhaa, na kabla stima pale kupotea, mteja ameshajulishwa mapema. Hapa nchini stima kupotea hata kwa miezi 4, miezi 5 ni sawa, tuendelea tu kama biashara ziko kama kawaida. Itahitaji nini ndipo